Look at this adorable little baby gecko. Oh, he is so tiny. This is now at night. He stands still. I found him here. So he freezes. Shame. Try to freeze to show me he's not alive. Oh, so cute. Oh my word. Can you believe it? It's so adorable. Oh, I just show you guys. Oh, so cute. Oh, I nearly stepped on it. Oh, shame.